Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to remove and install Cloud Code. First of all, what you need to do is to go to your PC and simply go to a control panel, and from there you simply have to go to programs and install a program. So what you will need to do in here is to search for Cloud. So here you will be able to find all these AIs, or you can literally just search for Anthropic. But sometimes you will not be able to find it. So what to do in a situation like this? I have a program or a software that is called your installer, and it's literally huge because it has the access to all the actual files on your PC. In this situation, you can literally just go here and search for exactly the actual cloud that you want to install and install it. This is a paid version, so for those who doesn't have the access to this one, then I have a third solution for you guys. Literally all you need to do is to open Cloud. So just go to Cloud and go to here and click on install. It's very simple, guys. So there's many methods for you to actually do it, either from here, either from the control panel, or from the software that I've just shown you. There's other software that you could try as well. So I'm gonna go here, click on install, and install like this. And as you can see, Cloud Code is now installed from my PC. So if I search for Cloud, I try to open it. It's still, I think it's not yet fully deleted. Here we go. Cloud is being installed, and I should be staying on this page until it is pretty much installed. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us beautiful comments. If you do have any more questions about AI, cloud, etc., make sure to drop it in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.